If you are trying to figure out how to sign a PDF on your iPhone, I will show you exactly how to get it signed for free with a few simple methods that will let you finish in seconds. First, let us look at the built-in Markup tool on your iPhone. Open your file in the Files app and you will see the tools right at the bottom. Tap the pen icon to start signing manually. Now, if you make a mistake here, it is actually quite frustrating because there is no quick erase button. You have to tap the three dots in the top corner and then select Undo every single time. Plus, if you try to zoom in or move around the page, you often end up making accidental marks. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right to explore the menu, where you will find the Add Signature option. Just tap it to handwrite your own signature, and then you can easily place it exactly where you need it. You can resize it or tap the three dots to find options like duplicate or delete. Prefer typing your signature instead? Just select Add Text to type it out and tweak the font color or size however you like. That covers the Markup tool. But what about signing your photos or screenshots? You can do that quickly in your camera roll. Just open your Photos app, select the picture, and hit the Adjust or Edit button at the bottom. Next, tap the pencil icon at the top right to start drawing your signature right onto the photo. Once you are happy with how it looks, just tap the checkmark icon and hit Done to save your changes. And you can simply convert this image to a PDF and share it with others. Finally, if you want a truly professional and all-in-one experience, I highly recommend using the PDFgear app. You can grab it for free from the App Store and open it up to get started. Tap the plus button to import your PDF document and open it right up. Just tap the Edit button at the top to enter the default Annotate mode. From there, tap Annotate again to select the Fill and Sign option. Tap the Signature button at the top and you will see three simple ways to sign your document. Everything is laid out clearly so you can find exactly what you need in seconds. You can handwrite your signature in your preferred color and place it perfectly on the page. Then simply tap it to flatten, copy, or delete it whenever you need. The second option lets you upload an image of your signature. Just select your photo and move it exactly where you need it to go. Finally, if you prefer, you can simply type out your signature as your third choice. There is a quick undo button right at the top for total peace of mind. It is incredibly versatile because it also lets you add stamps, check marks, and crosses alongside your signature. You can even add custom text to the document if you need to. Once you are done editing, just tap the three dots in the top right to share your file. And here is a pro tip. Make sure to flatten your signature before you send it so nobody can change it later. You can also save your progress or print the document directly from the app. Get the free PDFgear app now and make signing your documents effortless.